A milling machine is used to make holes in a workpiece using a rotating cutting tool. The different parts of a milling machine consist of a motor head and bed, tool feed, feed handle, machine base, and drill bit. Let's start with adjusting the height of the tool head. Loosen the screws on the motor head on both sides as shown. Slide it to adjust the height. Once you are satisfied with the height, tighten the screws. Make sure that the head is tight enough. Feed handles are provided to position the bed. Rotate the handle clockwise and anti-clockwise and note the change in the position of the bed. Now it's time to fix the tool to the machine. Let's see how to. Take the drill bit and insert the holder as shown. Insert the tool into the machine head and fix it with your hand and then tighten it with a screwdriver. Let us now see how to perform an operation. Start with marking points on the wood piece using a pencil and a scale. Measure the distance to be milled and mark accordingly. Fix the wood piece to the bed and tighten the holder to ensure that the wood piece does not move. Adjust the position of the bed using the free handle. Switch on the machine. Make sure the tool rotates. Power the feed as shown. You will see that the machine is creating holes in the workpiece. Enjoy and don't forget to be very careful with the tools.